And what makes this color even more beautiful is the fact that when you zoom in a little bit, the lens itself has like a little dark ring around it. Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video. This is being MTK. If you are watching for the very first time, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell for whenever I post new videos. So you guys, this video is a little different. As you can see, my face, my eyes are a different color, only because today is all about sponsorship. I got an email for my very first sponsorship video. So today I'm coming to you with brand new eyes. If you can already tell, I am wearing contact lenses from a company called Just4Kira. Just the letter 4, Kira. And this is how the package came right here in a little black box. And inside of the package is where they have their contact lenses. And again, I picked out 4 colors. And so currently I am wearing one of the colors right now, and this color is called Mora Blue. It's almost like I don't want to take it off. I was just there like crying. I got my makeup all messed up and stuff. So if you see my face looking kind of weird, I got it all messed up, okay? My hubby had to help me, and it took, half an hour, like I said. But guess what? It is well worth it, because I am loving this, honey. So anyhow, let me show you this. These are the little boxes. And the color, it comes in a box like this. And let me open one of the boxes so you can see how it actually looked. I mean, like for me, I am new to the whole contact lenses thing. As I stated, since I was a teenager, I've never worn contact lenses. So for those of you who already wear contact lenses, I'm pretty sure you know how it looks already. But anyhow, let me open the box so you guys can see how it looks. So there are like one lens is in one box. So 2 boxes will be a pair, one here and one here. So this will be the left eye, this will be the right eye. And yeah, it comes like this in a little solution. And also I went in here and I ordered like extra contact lenses solution from Amazon just in case I need it. So this is it right here. And it comes like this, and their name is also on the package. Beautiful packaging. And so yeah, I will be sharing my coupon code with you guys, because the longevity of this of these lenses are 1 year. You cannot beat that. And this is not just any kind of contact lenses, it is well made, high-end contact lenses. So again, this is the color that I'm wearing right now. It's called Mora Blue. And let me see if I can show you how it looks on the box. It looks like this. So that's the blue. So I got the blue one is in my eyes, the Mora Blue. And this one is called Norco Green. I cannot wait to wear it. Okay, so the next color that I'm wearing is called Norco Green. I believe that's what it's called, Norco Green. So this is it right here. Again, another beautiful color. And I believe that this color also complements my brown skin. And what makes this color even more beautiful is the fact that when you zoom in a little bit, the lens itself has like a little dark ring around it, like a black ring around the lens. So it is very pretty. I love it. It's different. Very, very different, cute, you know. And so this is the Norco grain. Let me go ahead and try on another color. I think I will be trying on the hazel for you guys. I got two different browns. One is the hazel, and you know, let's see, let's check it out. Check out the hazel. I am back with another color. This is color number 3, and this color is called Sita hazel. So this is not the typical hazel brown. It is another beautiful color. I think I did a great job with picking all the colors that I got, and I am loving it as usual. And check it out, and the longevity is up to 1 year for all the contact lenses that I show you guys. So again, this is another pretty color. And by the way, I think I did a very good job with choosing all the colors that I got, because honey, it is popping. Just4Kira.com is the name of the website. I will be putting the link in the description below so you guys can go ahead and check it out. Make sure you make your purchase. Now I am going to go ahead and try the very last color that I have, and this color is a brown color. It's called brown. So let me go ahead and try on the last color that I have here. I am back with the very last one. This one is color number 4. As you can see, I'm already looking like a hot mess because I've been playing with my eyes. My eyes are starting to get really red. But anyhow, like I said, it is all worth it. And so this is the box right here for the last one I have. All the lenses that I try is from Just4Kira.com. This will conclude the video for my contact lenses. All my lashes are falling off and everything is falling off, you guys. But I am glad that I was able to try on everything, just so you guys can see how it looks and how the colors are so beautiful. Even though my eyes are so red, my lashes, my makeup is out of place, but it was well worth the while. So again, make sure you subscribe to Being MTK. Turn on your post notification bell for whenever I post new videos. And also for all business inquiries, I will link my email and social media information below this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give a thumbs up. Until next time, I will see you all. Again, the name of the website is called Just4Kira.com. I will link the information in the description below. And also, before I go real quick, let me give my coupon code before I forget. I will link it in the description below as well. But my coupon code is, MTK75. The code is MTK75. Make sure to use that when you are ordering the beautiful contact lenses, MTK75. And I will also put it in the description below. All the colors that I try, I will also link that directly in the description below. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you all on the next video.